Hey guys, this is Chase from Alta Labs. Today I'm going to walk you through the installation of our AP6 and AP6-PRO access points. Before installation, we recommend you download the Alta Labs mobile application or visit manage.alta.inc. You will need to create an account if you haven't already. Once your account is created, you will be presented with this screen. The home-based site is created automatically. You can rename the site and customize the icon. Now you are ready to install your access points. From an installation perspective, the AP6 and AP6-PRO are installed exactly the same. When you have identified where you want to install your access points, you will need to ensure you have an Ethernet cable run back to a PoE Plus enabled switch or PoE injector. If not, you will need to run a cable to your desired location. Remove all the contents from the packaging. In addition to the documentation, you should have an access point, a mounting plate for walls or ceilings, a hardware kit, and a drop ceiling mount. In the hardware kit, you will see anchors for drywall installations and coarse threaded screws for installation directly into a harder surface, like wood. Nuts are included for the drop ceiling bracket and rubber feet if you want to have the access point rest directly on a shelf or tabletop. If you are mounting directly to an electrical box or low voltage box, use the mounting plate and align the holes for the most appropriate hole pattern. Use the screws recommended by the manufacturer of the box to secure the mounting plate. When mounting to a wall, ceiling, or other material, use the mounting plate as a template to mark the appropriate holes you want to use to secure it. Pre-drill the holes and use the included anchors if necessary. The ceiling mount can be used to mount the access point directly on the T-grid the ceiling tile rests on, or mounted directly to the ceiling tile itself. To mount to a tile, use the mounting plate as a template to mark these two holes here. Drill through the tile, then use the included hardware with the mounting plate and ceiling mount with the tile in between. To mount to the T-grid, use a 5mm Phillips head to back out the pre-installed screws on the ceiling mount. Twist the ceiling mount onto the T-bar grid and tighten the pre-installed screws so it is securely fastened to the T-grid. Use the included small Phillips head screws in the hardware kit to secure the mounting plate to the T-grid bracket. No matter the surface or method of installation, please ensure the screw heads are always flush with the face of the mounting plate. Connect your Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port, line the access points up on the mount, and secure the access point by applying a small amount of pressure in a clockwise motion to the right side of the access point first after you feel a click, then apply a small amount of pressure to the left side of the access point in a counterclockwise direction. You should then feel a second click. Just like that, you have mounted the Alta Labs access point. It is now ready to be powered up and added to the site. To add to the site, click the Setup button in the mobile app or web interface. It should take just a few seconds. When you see the status, the access point is ready to be renamed, configured, and associated with whatever SSIDs you want it to broadcast. Thanks for choosing Alta Labs and working together to elevate the world's networking experience. If you have any further questions, please visit us at alta.inc.